Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to repop on Depop in 2025. Repopping is the process of reselling items that are in high demand. And with the right strategy, you can earn significant profits. First, you need to understand what Depop is. Depop is a social marketplace where users can buy, sell, and discover items. It is a platform that combines elements of eBay, Instagram, and Pinterest, making it an ideal place for entrepreneurs and resellers. To start repopping on Depop, you need to create an account. Download the Depop app, sign up with your email address or social media account, and fill out your profile completely. This includes adding a profile picture, cover photo, and bio that describes what you sell. Next, you need to find items to resell. You can source items from thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. Look for items that are in high demand, such as rare sneakers, limited edition clothing, or electronics. Once you have sourced your items, take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions. This will help you showcase your items in the best possible light and attract potential buyers. Make sure to include information about the item's condition, size, and material. Now, it's time to list your items on Depop. Set competitive prices based on similar items that have sold on the platform. You can use Depop's pricing guide or research your competition to determine the best price for your item. To increase your chances of selling, engage with the Depop community. Like and comment on other users' posts, and participate in Depop's daily challenges and events. This will help you build a following and get your items seen by more people. Finally, provide excellent customer service. Respond to messages and comments promptly, and be transparent about the item's condition and shipping. This will help you build trust with your buyers and increase the chances of repeat business. In conclusion, repopping on Depop requires research, strategy, and engagement. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully resell items and earn a profit. Remember to stay up to date with Depop's community guidelines and terms of service to avoid any issues with your account. With dedication and hard work, you can become a successful repop seller on Depop in 2025.